AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is AMC stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in this space. I had done 43,000 videos like this and documented them all, plus shown you what's actually working and what's not. It's taken me 5 years and don't have to spend this amount of freaking money, tens of thousands of dollars in time, tens of thousands of hours. Especially with AMC, bro. Like, I wanted to see a double break, and for the longest time I've been waiting here, and then finally saw the first shift, which doesn't immediately make me be bullish here, you know what I mean? The swing idea is still like the one that I'm waiting for, but since we made new high, this on the lower time frame can be such a game changer. Or what I exactly mean is the price pulls down into some sort of like a demand zone lower, and then, you know, I buy if it gives me the rules, even like a lower time frame, because I'm biasing towards that long side because I'm also aiming for this higher time frame, you know what I mean? So obviously not financial advice. I'll keep you updated. Now, if you want to stay tuned with AMC, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and market money making emails and insights. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one.